everyone, and welcome to Feedback Learnings. This is Nathalie.lazo coming to you from Miami, Florida. I have a very, very special treat for you. You don't want to miss out on this one. We're at a very exquisite Russian restaurant called Kafkas. I want to show you a lot more. Come on and follow me. Let's go inside and see what all the excitement is all about. Come on.
Kafkas is the south part of the Russia, so we combine like more than 20-30 cultures in one name, Kafkas. We have everything here. I feel like home.
What are you making right now? He is preparing Kafkas style full gas with cheese and egg yolk.
It's like a big home.
Yes.
For everybody.
I love that very much.
Sochi used to be Winter Olympic capital. Kafkas region is all about meat. If you got in, it's very hard to get out.
Wow.
Because they start from cheese plate and they finish from a lamb, barbecue.
So what represents the World Cup in Russia 2018 on the tourism side?
Everything. It depends on the town you go. Each town has its own history, has its own culture, has its own food. Everywhere you're going to enjoy.
What is the Kafkas style that stands out in your menu?
It's combination. Kafkas means a lot of different cultures.
Yes.
So we were trying to combine here all of them in one, and that means Kafkas style.
That's amazing. I love it. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, guys.